Hey everyone, welcome back to We'll Make It Work. This video will be a quick tutorial on how to replace your Audi stock pedals with upgraded steel pedals, or in my case, RS4 pedals. As you'll see in this video, I struggle quite a bit getting the cover off of the brake pedal. The solution is quite literally pulling as hard as you can until it comes off. Not very intuitive, I know.
We're gonna go ahead and put the new one on. Should be the same thing but backwards.
I took this short clip to show you why you need to make sure all sides are secured. You can see a gap at the top of the pedal. After the brake cover's on, we're going to be moving to the clutch pedal. Oh, there goes my clutch spring. Nice. In this clip, you can see me using a thin pick tool to pull the rubber edge of the cover out from underneath the pedal. I'm stopping the time lapse to show you guys this picture of the pedal cover, and you can see on the right here it is actually over the edge, and on the top area here it is not. So what I'm doing is essentially trying to use my small pick tool to pull the edge of the cover around the pedal. The accelerator cover was the easiest to get on out of the 3 functional pedals. Just make sure it's snug.
So yeah, I've got the RS4 pedals now, and they definitely look a lot better than the stock ones. But my clutch spring came out, and now on my clutch, this fella up here is like slipping and making a noise. Then when I let it out, it kind of falls back down. So I don't know, it seems like it works. I gotta put my clutch spring back in and figure out why it's doing that, but yeah, there it is.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful or entertaining, please leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more B7 A4 content. Cheers.